everyone, nice to talk to you again. I'm Jenny. Welcome to our Mainlander's Voice. Well, you can see what we are trying to do, right? We are trying to cook something, and to be specific, my lady bro and me are trying to cooperate to treat you with some our local snacks. SanHeShi, Putian三合士 yes. So I would like to move a bit closer so you can see what they are, right? It seems a bit mess right now, but you can clearly see the peanuts and the flowers. Yeah. And the sesame, and we also add some sugar. Yeah. And there are many ways to do this kind of thing. SanHeShi. You can add the peanuts or some other kind of nuts. Yeah, and it's a bit popular in this area, especially when we had some cough. Yeah, some cold cough, I should say. We could eat this kind of thing. It's a bit useful, I've tried from yesterday, and it seems that my cough lessens. So, well, it may take a bit longer to finish these kind of snacks, and firstly, we have to boil the oil. Usually we use the peanut oil in it, and then we put the peanuts to cook it a little while, and then we get the peanuts out the oil. Then we put sugar, only sugar in it. Then maybe 3 minutes later we add the peanuts in it. And also sesame. Yes, you can see some black sesame, and then we would add the flowers gradually. Yeah, we can't add the flour at one time. Yeah. So I really like to show you the process, but it may take a bit long. This is another kind of flour. 糙米. Yeah, the rice flour. 糙米 and not the rice. 糙米, I don't know how to translate it. Not kind of rice. Yeah. Maybe more expensive and more with more nutrition. We use the Amway pot to do this. Amway pots, Ali. Amway pots are very expensive and very workable. Maybe it will taste better using that one, right? Well, I would like to show the final work later, okay? And we would like to enjoy the song doing this. Angelina. Okay? We love the song because it's very alive. It seems a bit mess, but the final work will be very great. Smells very good, but you can't smell it, right? Okay, bye bye. See you next time, and I will present the final work with you. Okay? Okay.